Hi everyone, this is Nancy from Landpack. Today I would like to introduce you one of our flow packaging machine for the tissue or the napkin. This is the finished package for the tissue. This is the packaging solution to pack one pieces tissue or napkins in plastic package like this one. And total, this machine including 3 parts: the tissues, auto feeding, and the folding machine. And this one is the feeding conveyor. And this part is the make packer to control the machine and set the parameter settings here. Now let's introduce you one by one in details. At first, this part is the tissue folding and the feeding machine. Here its function is to fill the tissue and fold and then folding and feeding to the feeding conveyor. Now let's see it in details. The machine will go through these tissue rolls, install it like this one. At first, we need to fit the tissue rolls here and install the tissue one by one in order. And go into this part is the emboss device part. It is option for the emboss surface and the flat surface. Here, this solution is flat surface. We can also make the emboss surface like this one. And next part is going to the horizontal folding part. Here is the first folding, the second and the third folding to fold the tissue like this one. 1, 2, 3. And go into next part is the sensor. This sensor can give the signal to the packing machine and detect the tissue here. If no tissue, the sensor will give the signal to the packaging machine, and you need to insert the new tissue rolls. And going to next part is the emboss. And here is an option device for the printing. You can print your logos, 1 color or 2 color like this one on your tissue. It's option function. And next part is going to the cutter. Here we need to cut the tissue in the customized length like this one. And going to this part is the vertical folding to fold like this one. And this is the belt to lift the after fold the tissue into the feeding conveyor one by one. After the fold, the tissue will be lifted onto the packaging machine. And this conveyor will be pushed the tissue one by one automatically to the platformer. And this width is adjustable. We can adjust these screws to make the width bigger or smaller. And next, the tissue will go into the main packaging machine. And this packaging machine, it can automatically form the bag, sealing, and cutting automatically. And this is the control panel. We can set the parameter settings and control the machine on this control panel. It's a very smart system. And this packaging machine is the down field structure. We've installed the field like this. And there is a sensor here. It is color mark sensor. It can detect the color mark on the print field to detect the balance and cut it. And go to this part is the platformer. This platformer is adjustable. We can adjust this handle to make the bag width big or small. And next is the wheels to fix and pull the wheels automatically and make the wheel working smoothly and stable. And next is the end sealing and cutter, and go into through this outlet after finish. Now let's look how this machine works. Okay, that's all today. If you have any question and need more detail about this packaging machine, please leave message to our website. Thanks for your watching. Thank you.